In a community, we stay together, help each other. In a community, we stay together, help each other. Let's take a walk through, look around and say, who are these people who help us every day? In a community, we stay together, help each other. There's a teacher to teach all lessons, and a doctor to give us medicines. There's a fireman who puts the fire out, and policeman to keep a check throughout. In a community, we stay together, help each other. When you grow up, think what you wanna be, how you are going to help your community. In a community, we stay together, help each other. In a community, we stay together,